All right, guys, I wanted to do a full breakdown here for you on these wireless microphones that I got off of Amazon to show you the quality of these things and how well they work. So you can see we have a karaoke stage in our basement. We do a lot of karaoke, singing, stuff like that, and I wanted some more high-quality mics. These have been amazing for it. They're completely rechargeable, what I loved. All the other mics I've had, you have to put batteries in and they die over time. So it's C-port charger on both the bottoms here. You can see that right there on both of them. They recharge. They last up to 12 hours of charge, which I'm never singing for that long ever. So you can just charge them every other time or so. It comes with the cords to charge it. Very easy to do. And all you need to hook up is the receiver that it comes with. This is rechargeable too, so you don't need any batteries at all. It's all C-port charger. They last forever. These are the only three things you need. It plugs right into any kind of input you want it to. So depending on what kind of speaker you're going to use it on, you can use it on a little portable speaker like this. It just goes right into the input, just like that. You can put it in a small speaker, like one of these little smaller ones if you're going to do a little more portable, and they will work fine. Or like we do, you can hook it up to your PA system. I have a full PA for my entire karaoke stage. It can go right into the karaoke PA, and these mics work great. And also what's really cool, it comes with these extras if you want to use them. They're little hand stoppers, 2 different colors. You get black and orange. You can slide them up the microphone. That way, if you are going to use these for karaoke or something like that, they're not going to fall out of your hands. A lot of times people drop them, they slip through. You can hold it like that, and if you just kind of, you're talking or singing or whatever, it's going to be right in your hand. They're not going to fall out. So I thought it was really cool. It came with that little extra, slides right off, super easy. So to hook it up, again, it is so simple. It takes seconds. You turn this on button for the input or the receiver, plug it into one of the inputs here, turn on the microphone, just press and hold, hooks up immediately.
And now it's working. And you can hear how crystal clear this thing is. There's zero distortion, super nice and loud. I have it on like half the volume right now, and it is super clear. It has noise cancellation. So you can see I'm on the side of it. You can't really hear anything. As soon as I talk right into it, hello, 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 hello. So noise cancellation on the side is amazing. You can see how the difference is. And then you can do 2 mics. Hello, hello. They pair up immediately, So again, super happy with these things, super crystal clear, singing, talking, doing speeches at weddings, anything like that. I can switch that into a PA system. So if you go to a wedding and they have a PA, you can just put that right in. You don't need an extra mic or anything. They work so good. So